4 years.
18,000 nautical miles.
29 countries and counting.
This is
Sailing Catamaran Element. In this video, the crew of Element have made the short journey from Rhodes, Greece to Marmaris, the yachting hub of Turkey.
riding through Netsal Marina at night.
No kidding.
On our way to the bar. Waterfront, Sun Marina. Showing the laser messages in Turkish up on the mountain from the nightclub. No, just the color of the lights is great. Say hi. Merhaba. Nasılsınız? Nasılsınız? Çok iyiyim. Not open yet. Lots of vodka. Nice and empty.
It is nice and empty.
We'll get some video of it when it's a little more busy.
Yeah.
Beach Club. It's a new one. I haven't seen that one.
Start getting busy until 11, 12 o'clock.
Yeah. Maybe you need another tattoo, dear. No?
When I had a pedicure, let alone somebody digging a needle in my body.
Ah. The Joy Club. The water. Looks great. Awesome. Merhaba. Nasılsınız? Nasılsınız? Great. Merhaba. Check it out. Awesome. Looks great. Later, maybe. See. Oh. Another one. Back Street Bar. Very nice. Now Ron will remember the green room, greenhouse, whatever it's called. More shots, my way. Any 2 shots, 10 lira. Any 6 shots. Oh, greenhouse, this was great. Music was good in here. Since 1987. Very nice. The high-end club. Must be high-end. High-end bar. Well, it keeps on going. Bar Street Shot Bar. Back at Argentin. This is where Sherry and I hang out. Hi, Sherry. What you doing?
Our favorite thing, playing backgammon and smoking water pipes.
Nagile?
Nagile, yes.
And how do you order a nagile for both of us? Iki Tana Nagile.
Iki Tana.
Twist Nagile.
There we go.
Lütfen. To be polite. right?
Here, go.
My turn?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I got it recorded. And I'm just recording. See, this is what happens.
Now you have to roll a 6.
Yes, roll a big 6. See, this is where it all falls apart. 1, 1. Come on, big 6. Oh! 5 brings to the end.
5.
That's risky.
Yeah.
I get the 6.
Yeah.
I didn't. Damn.
Woo-hoo! This could be a 2-pointer game.
Just see the excitement on her face.
I just won 3 games to 0 in backgammon and solution.
And drinking beer.
And drinking beer.
What kind of beer?
2 boards.
Oh.
I forget. For the slap me, what's your name?
Sean.
Sean. What's my name?
I don't remember either.
I tell you before.
I know.
Are you sure?
I meet a lot of people.
My name is Handsome John.
Handsome John. Yes, I remember. Yes.
I don't think this. But and all the people, they're gonna say me your face in same to Elliot John Travolta, you know?
Ah, okay.
Maybe I'm model, they do think this. I'm not model, but they're gonna say me Handsome John.
Handsome John. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
But you can say John, just enough for me.
Well, and it rhymes with Sean, so it should be easy
Sean
to
in
remember.
the John in the
Yes,
same.
yes, yes.
I don't forget you never.
Okay. Show you a mega yacht that pulled up behind us. I saw them come into the bay this morning and anchor off in the corner because there was a cruise ship here this morning that's here every Monday. Cruise ship left, and while Sherry and I were out having a drink, playing some backgammon, she's pulled up behind us. This thing is just massive. The next day, while Sherry was whipping the ends of our new winter mooring lines, Paige and I paid a visit to our friends at North Sails, whom agreed to teach us how to splice modern sailing rope. We had our new sail bag and running rigging replaced by North Sails this season, and now we're having them build a custom cockpit enclosure for us, inspect, wash, and store our sails over the winter, and replace our aging trampoline in the spring.
Dynama
Yeah.
and polyester.
Okay, so yeah, so all the Dyneema ropes are here. We've got several of those on our boat.
This is Dyneema.
In different sizes.
Yes.
Uncovered Dyneema, yeah. And then we've got the polyester ropes.
Yes.
All in different colors, different sizes, some really big. We've got mooring lines and small stuff down here.
Yes.
Big mooring lines, we bought some of these.
Big sail machine.
Oh yeah, shoot. Look at that, look at the size of that thing. That's industrial, that's huge. And the smaller one over here.
How can you carry that?
So, yeah, and you can see the pattern on the wall.
Yes.
And for the loft, still the Katana 471 letters up there when they made the sail bag. And other people's sails, where we've been working here.
Personal company outside today, work.
Oh,
Sail.
yep.
Winter and down.
Well, on my if you look on Facebook and you go further down, you'll see pictures of when you guys were there putting the sails on. And there's, yeah, all the hardware,
Yes.
fittings, rigging. The ladies at the office. Hi.
Hello, hi.
Their instructions for measurements to get from you on the phone. Yes. Here. So we're at North Sails, learning how to do splicing. It's splicing school. Okay. easy, a lot of steps. A little bit stiff down the middle, but not very cool. Awesome, thank you. Oh, that's great. Thank you. That's great. Thank you very much.
Every time, come see.
Marmaris waterfront, which we just visited. North Sails, and there's a big cruise ship in today. P&O Arcadia. We enjoyed revisiting local friends and cruisers, have made our preparations for the off-season down the coast, and had one last taste of the infamous Marmaris nightlife. It's time to head east towards our winter season berth in Pamukkale, Turkey. So we're in Tursain, little tucked in bay. We did our first stern tie. How did that go?
It went awesome at first, and then we started dragging.
Yes, because the bottom's kind of mud and weed and rock.
We're moving sideways, so off we went.
We quickly got our stern lines off. Sherry went back into the dinghy, got the stern lines off. We brought her back in, got the boat under control, and came. And yeah, we've got a simple little dock. That catamaran just came in front of us. Escape. They earlier had their line wrapped around their prop. There's still a couple of boats now tucked up along the shore, but most everyone else is med-moored or side-tied to this little restaurant. There's a couple of ruins in this bay. It's a nice, tucked away little bay in an island. Quiet, cows, goats, ducks, and
All of which are
old ruins of a village or something along here. Stone walls, what's left of them. So, looking forward for dinner. I'm having calamari.
I'm having fish.
And the girls are having chicken.
Next time on Element.
We visit the ancient village of Kailkoi.
We arrive at our winter moorage destination of Pamukkale.
I help with the Pamukkale Cruisers Radio Net.
And we make friends with the local cruising community.